at home?
Oh, all the time.
Chef James!
Hi there, how's everybody?
Tell us what you made.
So we did a prime rib cap, then we wrapped it around a bone marrow, roasted it, served it with chanterelles, artichokes, some beautiful heirloom tomatoes with a smoked peppercorn sauce for you tonight.
And what about that little shallot business? Oh my
Oh,
God!
and roasted shallots. The shallots were confit in olive oil and served with potatoes.
I could eat like a dozen of those. Okay, tell us about that amuse-bouche.
That's the honeymoon shot. So you have our kumai oysters, fresh uni, quail egg, Regis ova caviar, and Regis ova salmon roe with a bit of ponzu.
That was insane. Now, are you going to give away the secret of your sea bass?
Anytime you want it, darling.
Yeah? Oh my
I already
God.
gave it to you.
So it is a little miso, yeah?
That's the miso, right?
Yeah, it's the miso.
Yeah.
I gave you the recipe already.
But there's
You did.
something else in that
The
broth.
consomme, I can't tell you that.
Oh, so he gives me half
You
the
have to
recipe.
leave him, I'll tell you. If you leave him, I'll give you the recipe.
Honey, if
How's
I
that?
leave him, I hope you cook for me every day.
Oh, breakfast in bed, darling.
I love you. You're awesome, Chef James. And by the way, your whole team has rocked
Amazing.
it. Dakota,
Yeah, we'll
everybody.
keep this guy. He's
Everybody's
on the
been
fence.
so-
I was about to say I'm on the fence.
Now this guy has to go operate on people right now. He's
What's
on
that?
call. He's starting right now. He's 10 minutes late for work.
Well, at least he's got a full belly.
I know. Right now he's got a full belly.
Good.
That was so delicious. Thank you. Thank
Love
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Love you.
Thank you so
Mwah.
much.
You're welcome.
Thank you
Thanks,
for
Chef
keeping us
James.
safe and fed.